Grandma and Grandpa, they sent you a package.
My package for me? For me?
This is for you.
Wow.
Grandma and Grandpa sent that for you.
Wow, that's very big.
Why don't you open it?
Sure. Let's try open it. Here, can I open that, please?
You go ahead.
I can't do it. Can you help me?
Well, you gotta try a little bit harder than that.
I can't do it. Can you help me? What?
Here, I'll help you.
Can I help you, please, Mommy? Can I help me?
I'll help you.
What? One side.
We need some scissors. Let Mommy go get some scissors.
Mommy, I cut too. Can I try?
No, Mommy will try.
Okay, okay. Cut.
Mommy gonna come on back over here now.
Mommy, please try to cut it. Mommy,
Joshua, get up there. Get down in there, Joshua.
what's inside? What's inside?
Well, we're going to find out in a minute.
Sheldon helping.
Sure, help us. What's inside? What's inside?
I don't know, baby.
What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? What's going to be?
I don't know. It's a surprise.
What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Mom, what's inside?
Here, pull it out.
Here. Pull it out.
Pull.
What's another car?
There's more stuff in here.
Cars? Another cars? What's inside?
Here.
More good?
Wow. Oh, look, there's some more stuff in there. Look. Get it.
Okay, what's inside? What's it?
It's some underwear.
It's an
Look,
underwear.
there's something else in there.
Wow.
It's some socks. Yay. Here, you want to see what your underwear is? Look. Let's see what kind they are.
What's they? What's they? What's on? What's on?
It says Darmator. And it's got cars. Look at there.
Wow.
Some underwears. Aren't those neat? Wow.
Then some stickers.
Yeah.
Then some stickers.
Yeah, this is a sticker book right here,
Oh,
Joshua.
that's a sticker book.
It's got stickers inside.
Oh, yeah, see?
Look at all the stickers.
I own it.
Okay, look at Daddy and say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank
Look,
you, Grandma and
look
Grandpa.
look at the camera. Say, wave. Say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say, I love you and miss you. Look at Daddy. Say, I love you and miss you.
And I miss you, Grandpa and Grandma and Grandpa.
Say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.